We didn't ask, neither side asked for a meeting from the U.S. or from the Philippines. So that's basically the reason why we didn't. Because we are in very, very close communication with the White House. We are in very close communication with, I know that the SND is very close communication with their Secretary of, hindi na pala Defense, War, Secretary of the Department of War. In terms of trade, both Secretary Chris Roque and Secretary Dec Go are still in the middle of negotiations for certain products in terms of the tariff schedule that the Americans have put up. So, I'm guessing here, but I would imagine that his purpose here was to connect back with ASEAN and with South Korea and with Japan and then meet with Xi Jinping. And he managed to, kasi pagkatapos na yung meeting nila ni Xi Jinping, umuwi na kaagad. He was represented by Secretary Lutnick. With President Xi Jinping again, neither side asked for a meeting because anong pag-uusapan namin, this is not the time or the place to talk about the West Philippine Sea. You will not achieve anything for having a meeting about that. Kasi yun lang naman ang papag-usapan namin eh. Hindi naman, yun lang ang pag-uusapan namin. Kung hindi, ayan, public alert notice, meron din ako niyan eh. Parang sa atin, akala mo, babagsak na yung langit eh. Again, this is not that, this is APEC, it's an economic meeting. You don't really talk about such issues. In ASEAN, pwede pa. This